2011 Honda CRV EXL, 69,000 miles. In remarkable condition, not a door ding or scratch, rock chip on it, brand new tires, leather, heated seats, moonroof. Alpine white. As I stated, brand new tires and brakes. Moonroof. Interior is perfect. Power seats, leather, heated seats. There's the Carfax report. Original floor mats. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. 69,487 miles. Heated seats. In remarkable condition. Cargo area. This still has the cargo cover. With a floor mat in the back cargo area. (2011) Honda CRV EXL, 69,000 miles. Great first vehicle.